In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tampermonkey to Chrome. Tampermonkey is a popular user script manager that lets you run small, helpful scripts to customize how websites behave. We'll follow the official method so you get it installed correctly, make the icon easy to access, and adjust the settings newer versions of Chrome require so your scripts actually run. Start by opening Google Chrome, then head to the Chrome Web Store. You can type Chrome Web Store into your address bar and select the official store, or go directly to the web store URL. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Tampermonkey. In the results, click the Tampermonkey extension published by Jan Biniok. That publisher name helps you confirm you're choosing the legitimate one and not a lookalike. Click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation box will appear. Select Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install it in a few seconds. When it finishes, Tampermonkey should appear near your address bar, and you may see a brief confirmation or welcome page. That means the installation worked. If you don't see the Tampermonkey icon, it's probably tucked away. Click the puzzle-shaped extensions button near the top right of Chrome, find Tampermonkey in the list, and click the pin icon. Pinning it keeps the Tampermonkey icon visible so you can quickly enable, disable, or manage your scripts later. Next, there's an important setup step that matters on newer versions of Chrome. Type Chrome extensions into your address bar to open the extensions page. Find Tampermonkey in the list and click Details. In this panel, turn on Allow User Scripts if you see that option. If your Chrome shows a different layout, enable Developer Mode at the top of the extensions page instead. One of these toggles is required on newer Chrome builds to allow user scripts to run as expected, so don't skip this part. Before we wrap up, a quick but important safety note. Tampermonkey itself is trusted and widely used, but the scripts you install with it can vary in quality and safety. Only install scripts from reputable sources, such as Greasy Fork, and take a moment to review the description and feedback. If something seems overly invasive or asks for access it shouldn't need, skip it. That's it. You opened Chrome, added Tampermonkey from the Chrome Web Store, pinned the icon for quick access, and enabled the settings so scripts can run. You're ready to manage your user scripts right from the Tampermonkey icon in your toolbar.